Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to get started with Crayon, unleashing your AI artistic potential. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI generated art? Let's embark on this creative journey together with Crayon. Open up your favorite browser and navigate to the official Crayon website at crayon.com. This is where the magic begins. To get started, you will need to set up an account. It's easy. Just click on the sign up option. You have two ways to sign up, with your Google account or by using your email. Choose the option that suits you best. For a swift sign up, I'm going to use my Google account. And there you have it, instant access. Ta-da! With your account set up, you can dive into the world of AI creation using our free image generator. Crayon empowers you to transform your ideas into stunning AI-generated artworks. Just type your concept, hit draw, and watch as AI turns your imagination into a visual masterpiece. Explore the limitless possibilities of combining your creativity with cutting-edge technology. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.